Hi, YouTube fans. I wanted to let y'all know that I've got a new case for my computer. I'm going to do it before, which would be this case right here, which we've already took everything out. This case is going to be used for another computer deal. This is my old case right here. As you'll notice, there's no DVD player in there, no nothing like that. Now that y'all seen that, I don't know how easy it's going to be to see it, but there's the new case. Right there, folks. I'll try to maybe bring it into focus a little bit. Whoa, a little too much, huh? There. And that's the new case for my gaming PC. It's got the Gigabyte motherboard in it and all of that. So I just thought I'd let y'all know that we did a new case. What happened was I got a 750 watt power supply and was going to put it in, hold on a second, let me lower that down again. Was going to put it in here, but it wouldn't fit unless we took the DVD unit out, which I use my DVD unit. So, with that said, I went ahead and bought this one here off of eBay, and we decided to go ahead and do a complete build. So, there's the gaming PC, and it works really good. Now, I'm going to lower this again. Make sure I lowered it all the way. Okay, there we go, because I'm still learning how to do all this. And what we're going to do is drop down my video I was watching. There you go, folks. Y'all can see all of that right. Whoops. Whoa. Y'all can see all of that right there. Now, system property. Yeah, y'all can see I've got 32 gigs of RAM right there. Running good old Windows 11. Running good old Windows 11 right there. And I'll bring that up where y'all can read all that if y'all want. So there we go, folks. And this computer is working just fine now. So there. Now y'all can actually read it. I can hold the camera still. And there you go, folks. Now with that said, clear all that. Oh yeah, how you like my wallpaper? A slot machine toilet paper roller. Now, I know y'all are kind of curious about how the kids are doing. There's Shirley. Shirley, say hi to YouTube. Yeah, she said hi. Here's Mighty Man. Mighty Man, look up. Hey, you. And then YJ is over here asleep, folks. And here's Michael.
Hello.
There's Mrs. Classic Mobile Home.
Hello, folks.
Okay, I'm Eddie from Classic Mobile Home. By the way, how do y'all like the new look? Let me know in the comments. All right, y'all have a blessed and wonderful day, and bye for now.